everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to create an everyday sort of glam makeup look that I do when I want to make a little bit more effort in the morning. This is definitely a look that I feel like you would need to take more time to do. This isn't like a simple 10-minute makeup, just saying it isn't. I will film that for you guys really soon because I know a lot of you guys want to see that, and I filmed ones like last year and stuff, but they're a bit different to that now. So I do want to like update it and do sort of a 2018 simple makeup tutorial, like a 5-10 minute one, which I know a lot of you guys can benefit from. However, this is a makeup tutorial for more of you guys that want to make effort in the mornings, if you've got a little bit more time, if you're going into town, I don't know, if you just want to make a bit more effort. So this is what I have done, and this is a look that I do if I do want to make more effort in the mornings, and which is most mornings when I do my makeup, because I personally enjoy doing my makeup. I love it, so that's why I want to do it. Before we jump straight into it, I want to talk to you guys about two things. The first one, of course, I'm going to mention my favourite brushes. I love them. I wanted to sort of show you guys these brushes and tell you like all the benefits from them, because I feel like I talk to you guys about them a lot, but I don't actually sort of say why they're good and things like that. So yeah, first of all, I have a 70% off code. Like, I'm just throwing that out there. I do. So I'll leave that in the description box down below. A lot of you have purchased them, and I'm not gonna lie, not one of you have come back to me and said that you don't like them. So I know that they're good personally, and I use them every day. So they come in this case. Oops, let me show you properly. So they come in a really simple and smart case like this. It's really compact, and when I travel or when I stay around my boyfriends or go somewhere, I always take these, and these are the only brushes I need. I'll literally chuck these because sometimes you freak out and you're like, what brushes do I need? Da, da, da. Like, you've got them all in a case. They're so compact, and you literally have your full face of makeup in one. So they come in 3 different colours. They come in the brown, which I have got a brown one somewhere. The brown ones look like this. These were the first original ones that they came out with. Now they do black, and then also my favourite, look, they're pink and white. How insane is that? So these are definitely my favourites. You've literally got your, this is really good for like buffing. So this is like a really good buffing brush. I blend that in on my neck. This is a good powder brush. You've got a fan brush, foundation brush, contour brush. This is also good for foundation to apply onto your skin. This is good for concealer. These are all good for eyeshadows. I use this one for my brows. These two are good for eyeshadows, and then this one is for your lips. So you've literally got your full kit in one. Not to mention that they are synthetic and cruelty free, so you've literally got all of that good stuff, and I just can't get over how good and compact it is. So I literally just get my makeup bag and then pop these as well, and I'm good to go. Brushes are also so soft, and the really sturdy hand helps so much with your makeup, and they just feel luxury. So I don't know, I like them personally. I'm not saying that you have to buy them. I wanted to talk to you guys about the brushes and just say how much, like, how good they are, because I don't know, I love them, and I wanted to explain them properly, because I always say you need to get these, but I'm never like why. So I just wanted to quickly do a little disclaimer on why you should get them, because yeah. But anyway, you'll see how I use them in the video, because I use them in today's video as well. So yeah. The second thing I wanted to quickly talk to you guys about, oh, that's my emails. Yeah, the second thing I wanted to talk to you guys about is something that I am focusing on in this video. You guys know I have worked with a brand called Deck of Scarlet before. I absolutely adore them. I made my own makeup palette. I'm going to show you, one second. So this is my own makeup palette that I made with them. I went to New York. I think you guys have heard the story about a bazillion times if you followed my channel before. So this is my palette. It is edition number 5, and it looks like this. So this is the palette that I made with them, and I absolutely love working with them. I've just really clicked with the brand, and I feel like I really wanted to get across to you guys the quality of the products and how affordable it is and how different their brand is. So I've mentioned before that they are a makeup subscription service. I think my camera's wonky. Where every 2 months, oh my hair, every 2 months you get a brand new palette. So it's just like a direct debit that comes out of your account, and you can cancel it at any time for free. Just a makeup subscription brand that does that, and I feel like that's such a good idea, because all of the palettes are so different. They're so versatile. It's so fun to try different looks and to have different palettes, and because all the palettes are the same sort of size, you can literally build a collection up of all of them and just be like, what one am I going to use today? Oh, hello. So yeah, I feel like it's such a good idea and I love working with them, and I still can't get over that I've got my own palette with them. It's insane. So Deck of Scarlet have just launched their brand new foil single eyeshadows, which look like this. Ta-da! So these are all of the foil single eyeshadows that I am so obsessed with, and they were nice enough to let me pick a shade that I like and name it after me. How cool is that? So I've literally got my own shade named after me, which is this one here. I love it so much, and you'll see me using it in today's video because I think it's such a versatile colour, and it's just a colour that I chose that I think everyone needs in their makeup. And it's not necessarily a fun colour. I was going to do a fun colour, but then I wanted to pick a shadow that everyone can use and that is versatile and that you can use every single day without fail. Each of the singles retail for $12 each. You might think that's quite expensive, but when you feel it, when you feel the quality of each of the eyeshadows, it's insane. This is my one. I'm going to give you one swipe and you can see already how pigmented that is. If my hand wants to focus, it's so shimmery, and they've just got all of the shadows spot on, and I've always said this about the brand, hence why I love working with them. The quality of the products are insane. Like, they're so good. They're not crumbly. I literally feel like they've got the consistency spot on, so I love it. It's available a la carte on the Deck of Scarlet website, which I will leave in the description box down below for you guys if you want to check them out. So this is a magnet palette. The good thing about them is you can literally just take them off and then pop them back on. I've got a bit of OCD, so I like to put them all really neat. That one's not neat. I literally spent ages like adjusting them. So this is what it looks like. It's actually really fun to sort of put them in place. So this actual palette comes with a mirror. It looks like this. So it's such a sleek, sturdy palette. And this will come complimentary if you buy 10 eyeshadows, and that'll come to $80. So you get a little bit of discount off of those. A lot of discount actually. So yeah, if you buy 10 eyeshadows, they come to $80, and you get this whole set for free. The actual palette that it comes in. So I love it. It's just so amazing. And I always stress about mirrors, and this mirror is incredible. Like, I love it. So it's amazing. But as I mentioned, I will be doing my own look using my eyeshadow here and maybe some more, which I like to just throw in on the video. But I'm going to show you why I got my shade, where I put it, and why I chose this colour basically. I already told you ish, but I go into more detail. So I absolutely love it, and I just feel like the quality is amazing. I always say that. It probably annoys you guys so much, but I just can't stress to you guys, the quality is so good. So Deck of Scarlet offer free shipping to the USA and also shipping to the UK and Canada, which is really cool, and I'm sure one day they'll ship to loads more places. I hope one day that they will ship to you guys. I'm sure they will. So as I mentioned, they are a subscription company. However, if you did want the eyeshadows, you don't have to subscribe. You can literally just buy them whenever you want. You can subscribe if you want to. I recommend it. Obviously I would, because I've got my own palette with them, but I just feel like the service is amazing, that what you get, and you can cancel if you're not feeling it, but I'm sure you wouldn't. But yeah, you don't have to be a subscriber to sort of get the single eyeshadows. You can literally just buy it on its own. I would personally go for the 10 for $80 because 1, you're saving money, and 2, you get them. And 3, they're amazing. So I have all of the prices on my phone. I can't remember them all, so I've got them all listed here, and I will read them out for you. So a single foil eyeshadow from this palette, so just one, is $12. If you wanted to buy the empty magnet palette, you don't have to do the $80 just to get it. If you just want to buy it on its own, then that is $16, but you probably save more money if you wanted more eyeshadows, getting the whole chunk and then getting this for free. 3 shadows for a bundle is $30, so you're saving $6 there. And then 5 eyeshadow bundles is $45, plus an option to buy a magnet palette for half off. So if you just wanted 5, you can do it and get a magnet palette for half off, which is crazy. And then the 10 shadow bundles at $80 that I mentioned, and you get the makeup magnet palette for free. So if you want to check out all the other palettes, including mine, and more detail about the single foil eyeshadows, then I will leave all of that information in the description down below. So make sure you check that. Anyway, enough of me rambling on. I'm so sorry about that. I know it annoys some people that when videos are sponsored and they just go on, but I didn't have to say all of that, and I just feel like I want to get the message across to you guys that it's just amazing quality and stuff. You don't have to buy it if you don't want to. You could get a dupe, but I'm just saying for me, I personally would, and I think the quality is amazing. So yeah, and I have my own palette with them, so of course I'm just gonna promote them because I love them. But yeah, anyway, if you want to see how to get this makeup tutorial after about 10 minutes of talking, then please keep watching. So I was filming, well, I thought I was filming and I wasn't, but you haven't missed a lot of steps that I've done. I literally done my foundation, concealer, and I'm just about to put some powder on now, so don't worry. If you want to know what foundation and concealer and stuff that I use, then I will leave a video that I literally done. When did I do it? It was my Slay 2018 makeup, and it's exactly the same sort of products that I used. So if you do want to know how I done that and what products I use, then I'll just leave it in the description. It's so simple and easy, so you only missed 2 steps, but I'm so annoyed that my camera decided to not turn on and I thought it was on. So lucky me. I'm now going to move on to powder. I'm going to use my Rimmel Stay Matte powder, which you know is literally just my go-to. I love it because it's transparent. I just feel like it goes with any skin tone, and I'm going to use the Vanity Planet powder slash blush brush. So I'm just going to give it a little swirl in that. Also, if the lighting changes, I'm terribly sorry. I'm using my ring light, but then I've also been using the window as well, and you know what it's like in England. Like, the weather's just so annoying, so I'm sorry if the sun keeps going in and out and I'm getting brighter and darker, but you know, it's fine. We'll work with that. It's cool. So I'm literally just going to sort of dot that onto my skin, pushing the product in. Don't want to swipe it too much. You can swipe it after or do circular motions. But if you sort of swipe it like this, you can even feel that the foundation is just coming off. So it's best to push it in or like do really tiny circular motions. Now that it's all finished, I'm going to move on to contour. I'm going to use the contour palette that I used in my other video. If you watched that video, you guys will know that I don't have any other contour kits. I'm not saying this is bad. It is actually really good, but I don't have any other contour kits. I don't know how. It's just, I don't know. Anyway, fine. I'm going to use the Vanity Planet angled contour brush to focus on my contour. So I'm going to mix these 2 shades together, tap some excess off, and then suck on your cheeks and just focus on that. Just to let you guys know that this is a makeup look that I do if I want to make a little bit more effort. I'm going to do a simple makeup tutorial for ones that, or people that are in a rush, because I know not everyone has this long in the morning to get ready. I know I've done sort of looks like this before. When I done them last year, people were like, it's really good, but I don't have that enough time. For me, I always make sure I have enough time, because I feel like when I make enough effort and I take ages to get ready, I feel better. But some people like more sleep, so everyone's different. So I am going to do a simple makeup tutorial as well for you guys. Like literally like a 10-minute makeup tutorial or a 5-minute. So don't worry, I'll literally film that soon. So don't stress, guys. This is just sort of more of a everyday makeup look if you've got more time on your hands and things like that. And also, I feel like it looks like I take longer because I talk and I'm like, this is what you do. So I don't know. So as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I'm going to be using the Deck of Scarlet single eyeshadows. I have my own one, which I'm going to show you now, and it's just such a beautiful shade. I still can't get over that they named one after me. Like, I just love it so much. It makes me so happy. But I chose this one. I'm going to show you up close. The reason I picked this colour was because I was going to pick more of an orangey tone, but I wanted to get a colour that I can use every single day. You guys know me. I love highlighter in my inner corners, brow bone, on the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, and I also add sort of highlighters like this. This isn't a highlighter, but I will use it as a highlighter on top of my liquid highlighter that I use. So that's the reason why I picked it, and it's something that I'll use every day. I'll use it in my night looks. It's just a shadow that is very practical, and I feel like it opens my eyes out. So yeah, that's why I wanted to pick this shadow, and I feel like it looks so pretty on your lid as well. Like, the colour will suit so many people, so very happy that I picked this one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the Vanity Planet smudging brush, and I love this brush for like inner corners and stuff. And what I'm going to do is zoom you guys in. What I'm going to do is literally pop this on the inner corners, brow bone, bridge of my nose, my Cupid's bow, Sorry if you can hear my washing machine, it's so loud. I'm going to use the contour kit and use the shade Secret, and I'm going to use the the Vanity Planet medium blender brush. Tap the excess off and pop this in my crease. This is basically, I'm like contouring my eyes, so don't get scared when I say that. I'm literally just using this to sort of open my eyes, and when you use tones that you've used on the rest of your face, it blends in so well, and I feel like for an everyday use, I love this. So it's just so easy, and you don't have to spend loads on like brown eyeshadows. You can literally use your contour kit. That's what I love. I'm then going to use the crease shader brush, and I'm going to use the colour Mystery, and I'm going to pop this sort of on the outer V, but blend it into my crease. I'm going to go back with the medium blender brush and blend that colour out. Use the small cream shadow brush, and I'm going to get one of these colours. I'm not sure which one I want to use yet. I'm going to use the small cream shadow brush from the brush set, and I'm going to use this shade here. I don't know if you can see it. The good thing about these is I can pop them out really simply like this and tell you the colour. So that is in the colour Raven. It's so pretty. I love it so much. So what I'm going to do is wet my brush with a makeup wipe like so. Coat the eyeshadow with the brush with the eyeshadow, and then close your eyes. I'm going to pop this in the crease and then blend it with my finger. I'm not popping it in the crease, I'm popping it on my lid. Wrong word. On to eyeliner, I'm just going to use the NYX liquid liner, which is my favourite. Oops. I always shake it before, and then I'm literally just drawing a line on my lash line because that's all you need to do. I don't really do flicks anymore, and I feel, especially for everyday use, you don't want to spend ages doing a flick, no. So I literally just align it, and then that's it. It's mainly just to make my eyes look bigger, and because I apply fake eyelashes, it's like a base for them to sit on, and it looks more blended and things like that. I don't know. I just prefer doing it.
Nobody but you, body but me, body but us, bodies together. I love to hold you close.
I'm then going to use my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara and just pop this on my lashes. And then for lashes, I'm going to use these Elmer lashes. I bought them on, it was either eBay or Amazon, but I'll try and find a link for you and put them in the description. I got them ages ago and I just found them and I was like, oh my god, they're my new favourites. So wait for the glue to go a bit tacky and then pop them on. Blush, I'm going to use my usual NYX blush because I don't use anything else. For highlighter, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. It's the Sugar Glow Kit. Which one do I use? I'm just going to swatch them all and then decide. I'm going to use the shade Butterscotch here. And I'm going to use the Vanity Planet Large Fan Brush. What I'm going to do is set it with some setting spray, and then I'm going to go in with Butterscotch. I normally use the liquid drops, but I want to try something new, and then just apply it. When you apply setting spray and then a powder, you sort of get the same effect. Like, it feels like a liquid one when it's on. Oh my god, that's insane. I always forget to use them, and this is so much easier to use than the liquid ones, especially if you're just doing everyday look and you don't want to spend ages doing your highlighter. For lips, I'm just going to put lip balm on. Use the Rimmel Cappuccino lip liner. And then grab the NYX Lingerie Lipstick in Corset. I'm going to use some setting spray. This is the Urban Decay Chill Setting Spray. So everyone, this is the final result. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. What is this bit of hair doing? I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, then make sure you give it a thumbs up and also subscribe. Look at my highlight. Whoa. Oh my god, that was so crazy. Use a powder highlighter and put setting spray on it because it's insane. I will leave the links in the description box down below to where you can get this Deck of Scarlet. Oh my god, that flung at my hands. To where you can get this Deck of Scarlet single eyeshadows and the palette that it comes in. And make sure you get my eyeshadow because I love it and I feel like it's an essential. That's why I picked it. I was going to get like more of a reddy tone, a bit more fun, but I thought I'd rather do essentials and one that everyone can benefit from, so that's why I picked this colour. And it's a good highlighter, so just remember that. Literally 2 in 1. So yeah, I will leave all the links to this in the description box down below for you guys, and I'll also leave the links and the coupon code to the brushes that you can purchase and all of that good stuff. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it, and I will see you beauties in my next one.